legitimate looking effort turned away. Ndaka down the line now. Can they get something before the break? The strength of Mbanjwa, penalty. And it was quite a spectacular tumble from Mbanjwa. I was wondering whether the referee might have thought there was a bit of a dive, but he certainly got clipped by Sibele. And there's no complaints from the Pirates defender either. The body language will tell you that he did catch him from behind, and Mbanjwa used every single opportunity he had there to go tumbling down. But look here, on the back of the heel, not once, not twice, maybe 3 times he caught him.
There was definitely contact there, and Mbanjwa making the most of it. Sibele on the wrong side of his man whilst defending.